Ma pris Kevin. Kevin pas j'aime pas inspecter machine ni. Li pas j'aime pas inspecter machine nan, li toujours de loin. All way on ti bagay dans machine nan, so on trace. Le rive pour machine va gagner non? On a checker. Pas j'aime pas checker machine.
You get problem with him?
Oui.
Cookie Samarada.
Parce que pas j'aime pas check on machine, you always check on the car. Oh, I can see it there. I can see this.
Absolutely.
There's nothing in the car.
You gotta stop anyway. Oh, a new baby rhino.
Alright guys, we're on Safari Park. Alright. On vient regarder les animaux, toutes sortes de bêtes qui gagnent. Ça c'est Kevin, qui dit hello. Yeah. Carly came by there. Oh. Nous acheter manger.
Nathan, look at this big one here, look.
Nous acheter manger pour eux. Après c'est fait. Snap regarde devant là pour une qui est vraiment close, il est vraiment close avec machine yo. Il campe là, il a besoin de manger pour manger. That goes ça lui-même.
Nathan's hiding. He's scared
What?
now.
Is that a rhinoceros?
Rhinoceros, yeah.
I have not given them my donut.
Oh, that is go sir, yeah. Where am I go?
Look, Nathan. He's been in a few fights, look.
Yeah. Ok, mon lot. Kevin va laisser le manger. Moi, c'est la manger.
Don't.
Oops.
Oh, look. Look what they've done.
C'est ça le barème pas faire loger même pas manger parce que me connais, il est tellement un peu sauvage et t'as No, stay away from me.
Oh.
Moi-même t'as peur pas manger. When we get closer, might be able to see it. Huh?
Isn't that typical, maybe? Just because you've got
Big, yeah.
He's a baby one.
That's right. Oh. He didn't like the rhino. Look at them then. They learn quick, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If I stand here, you'll feel it.
Like Leo.
Leo.
Leo's alive. Got him?
Yeah. Working.
Daddy,
Megan.
why did you?
Hold on.
I can see why we're going a bit slow.
Stay calm. Daddy, they're not nice to people.
Yeah. Why wouldn't they be, Leek?
They're not nice.
Yeah. And his back to us, that's good.
That's the zebra. Whoa!
Oh, doesn't he smell?
Of course they do.
Right? No, that's okay.
That's good.
It's coursing.
Oh, he's
How
pooping.
big.
God, no. It's a zebra. Look
Put
at
half window up, Kevin. Half window up.
He's nice.
Hey, you.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Ding, ding, ding.
He's a nice old thing.
They can step back, please.
Eh?
You gotta be. No.
Laken, are you scared?
No.
Yes.
I touched my
Oh, look at those two. Look, they're feisty, look. In a really slow way. Oh, here comes.
Oh, what toy is that?
He's got eyelashes like mummy, look.
It's
look. A
Wow.
girl one, is it? Look at him leg.
Let's get out of here.
Slowly.
No,
Oh,
no.
look at them. It's
Yeah.
so tall.
Why didn't you kite?
She's sitting in this. Here we go, Mummy. What do we see this side?
Gringo. Let's stop.
Just funny things. Got it?
Yeah.
Daddy, that. I hope that we not go for. Whoa!
Look how big he is. Yeah? Okay.
14.
Oh my God.
That is big, Daddy.
He is super big, isn't he?
Huge.
He's all walking down there. Look. Wow, they look different to the other rhinoceros, don't they? Look, look. Too high.
Look at his legs.
Eh? Oh, are we supposed to feed these or not? I don't know.
Oh yeah, these are it.
Come on then.
No, let's see. No, look at his big eyes.
Sorry?
That big eyes.
So you can see in the dark. Oh, look at him all. Look, hey. Uh-oh, we're going into tigers now, Lee. We better do the windows. Wow. You want to feed some?
Yeah.
You are then. Put it in your hand. Put it out there. Really? Hold your hand out flat. You do it?
Did you do it?
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, you can help me.
Hey, oh, I have to just in a minute, darling.
Where, honey?
Look, there's some more on your side. Look.
Yeah.
Give him more. It's not enough.
I'm gonna give you more. That's yucky.
Bye then. Oops. Bye.
Right.
Why?
You sit between the two humps. There are two different types of camel's lake. There's one with one hump, and there's one with two. One's called a Bactrian with one hump, and the other one's called a dromedary, which has two humps.
Why?
So they can cross.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Can you? Yeah. Yeah. Cow. Yum yum. Why is he going backwards by himself? Oh, I think there was another one. Yeah. You're gonna question the fence.
An Indian elephant, Laken.
Yeah.
The African elephant has big ears. The Indian elephant has small ears. Whoa, baby.
Yeah.
What?
Hi guys, nous allons camper, nous allons chercher des choses pour nous manger. Kevin a vini. Can you see him? Kevin avek Laken. Men yo there là.
Mommy.
Yes. Nous allons manger kounia. Nous chercher bagay nous manger.
Mommy.
Oh, somebody got me some flour. Thank you. Thank you, darling. Okay, petit toi comprendre?
Big Oreo.
It's a big sandwich Oreo. Is it yummy? Yeah? No?
Mummy's videoing, is it? Laken?
Oreo.
I can see it. It's a chip on the floor.
And
Laken, don't.
it's got this one as well. You don't want this? Yeah?